Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you the troubleshooting Google Sheets error. So if you are wondering why is a formula not working on a spreadsheet, maybe you are frustrated by it, but fortunately, they are most error can be traced back to specific issues, and once identified, they are easy to fix. And to this video, I'm going to show you a guide to troubleshooting common formula errors in Google Sheets. So you can check for the common formula errors. The first one is this error. So if you're facing this is a generic error that can occur for a variety of reasons. You can look closely at the formula for maybe there are incorrect function syntax. Also check if you've typed the function's name or parentheses correctly, or maybe there's a missing argument. You need to make sure all required arguments are included. For example, if functions require at least three arguments, so a logical test, a result if true, and a result if false. And the last one is empty cells. This one, so some formulas might not work as expected if they reference empty cells. And the second one, this one, divided by zero. So this error occurs when a formula tries to divide by zero. For example, A1 per AB, where B1 is 0 or empty. So solution, you can use if error or if functions to prevent divisions by zero. This one, for example, this is why it's error. So the third one is value. This one, so this error typically happens when the formula include the wrong type of data. For example, you are trying to add tags to numbers, like this one right here. And the next one is a reference. So this error occurs when a formula refers to an invalid cell's reference, such as when a cell or range has been deleted. So the solution is that you need to check the formula for any broken or incorrect references. For example, if a row or column was deleted, it might cause this error. And the last one is name, this one's right here. So this happens when Google Sheets doesn't recognize part of your formula, often due to misspelled functions, names, or improper references, such as using comma instead of semicolons in some regions. And the last one is quotation marks around tags being misplaced. So you can just check for the spelling mistake in the function name and ensure that you are using the correct separators, commas, or semicolons based on your local settings. And if the formula not updating or showing the correct results, the solution is that you need to make sure your spreadsheet is set to automatically recalculate. You can click on File and then find Settings. And in here, in the Calculations tab, you need to check that the recalculation is on change. And the next one is cell formatting. So if the result looks strange, like a number showing up as text or showing as zero, you can check the cell formatting. So select the problematic cells and then just go to format and then find a number and choose the appropriate format, whether it's number, currency, or date. And there's also a circular reference where it occurs when a formula refers to itself either directly or indirectly. So this can cause an error or infinite loop. So the solution, you need to double check the cell references in the formula to ensure there is no circular reference in these sheets. So Google Sheets will often warn you about this. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.